Magandang buhay sa lahat. Welcome back dito sa aking Mathematics Tagalog tutorial. Sa video na ito ay papaliwanag ko sa inyo about permutation on how to calculate the value of R. So, sa ating pong given, P and R, or N is 7 and R is unknown, that is equal to 840. So, paano nga po ba i-calculate yung R na yan? So, yan aking papaliwanag sa inyo step by step. Okay, so let's start with number 1 example. Find the unknown variable. So we have number 1, 7PR is equal to 840. So ano pong ibig sabihin yan? The permutation of 7 objects taken at a time is equal to 840. So ang unknown variable natin dito ay R. So how to calculate R? So focus po tayo dito sa ating formula. NPR is equal to n factorial over n minus r factorial. So yung ibang pagkakasulat po ng book, hindi lang po NPR isinusulat ang permutation. Pwede rin pong P and then N and then R. So yung ibang book ganito po, P and R, yung ibang book naman ginagamit po nila yung NPR. But the same lang po ang ibig sabihin niyan. Ano po? So ito po yung main focus niya na formula, n factorial over n minus r factorial. Okay, so how to calculate the value of r in our equation? Okay, so ganito lang po 'yon. Ang given natin, n is equal to 7 and r is the unknown. So, dalawang way po to calculate R. Pwede pong trial and error method at pwede pong algebraic method. So, unahin po natin yung algebraic method. Okay, so paano po gawin? Focus po tayo dito sa ating formula. Okay? So, ating pong formula ay NPR is equal to n factorial over n minus r factorial. Substitute po natin yung ating given. Okay? So, dito po, di ko na po nilagay dito yung NPR. So, ang n factorial natin, ang n is 7, kaya 7 factorial over n minus r factorial. So, ito po ay n is 7, so 7 minus r factorial is equal to, ito po yung equal niya, 840. Okay? And then next, simplify natin yung 7 factorial. Factor po natin. So, it will become 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Ito po yung 7 factorial. Okay? Over 7 minus r factorial is equal to bring down 840. So, in this case, ano po ang pwede nating i-simplify? So, wala na. So, ang gagawin lang po natin dito ay interchange po natin itong 840 at 7 minus r factorial. Pagpalitin po natin. So, pwede po yan sa ratio and proportion. Ano po? So, itaas ko po dito. Okay? Yan is equal to 7 minus r factorial. So, 840 nasa denominator, 7 minus r nasa right ng equal sign. So, pwede pong interchange yan. So, in this case, ang purpose po nun ay para ma-divide po natin ito. Okay? Simplify natin yung 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 1. That is equal to 5,040 over yung denominator na 840 is equal to bring down 7 minus r factorial. Okay? Then, ang purpose nun, divide na natin. What is 5,040 divided by 840? That is equal to 6. In this case, ano po ang pwede nating isunod na isimplify? So, ito po ay may factorial, ito po ay wala. So, para makancel natin yung factorial, dapat may factorial yung 6 natin dito. So, i-convert natin yung 6 into factorial. So, ano po ba yung 6? Kapag ipa-factorial natin, pwede pong 3 factorial. So, ang 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1. And 3 times 2 times 1, that is equal to 6. So, pwede pong ang 6 ay can be 3 factorial. Okay? And then, bring down 7 minus r factorial. So, in this case, meron pong factorial dito sa left ng equation ng equal sign at sa right ng equal sign, mayroon din po. And then, kakancel po natin yung ating factorial. So, tanggal na po natin yung ating factorial. Okay? Pag natanggal yung factorial, ito po matitira, 3. Then, equal to 7 minus r. So, in this case, makakalculate na po natin yung value ng r. So, itaas na po natin dito. Okay. So, 3 is equal to 7 minus r factorial. 7. Bring natin dito sa left ng equal sign. So, positive siya. That will become negative. Kaya 3 minus 7 is equal to negative r factorial. So, ito lang po yung nilipat natin. So, positive will become negative. So, 3 minus 7. And 3 minus 7 is equal to negative 4 is equal to negative r. In this case, we have negative sa r. Dapat r lang po. Ang hinahanap po natin ay r. So, may negative. I-remove natin ng negative ng r at i-remove din natin yung negative ng 4. So, magiging 4 is equal to r. So the value of r is equal to 4. That is how to calculate by using algebraic method. Okay, so how about naman po by using trial and error method? So paano po gamitin yung trial and error method? Okay, so focus po tayo dito sa 7PR. So yung n dito, n is greater than r. So dapat itong r ay mas mababa sa 7. So ibig sabihin, yung possible value ng r dito ay 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So mag-set po tayo ng value ng r dito and then solve using this formula. Kapag nag-equal to 40, yun na po yung value ng r. Okay? So try po natin. 7 po yung n natin. So yung r natin mag-start ng 6 din pababa. Unahin natin yung 6. Okay? R is equal to 6. So using this formula, this will become 7p6 is equal to 7 factorial kasi n is 7 over n minus r, kaya 7 minus 6 factorial. Okay? So this will become, ang 7 factorial ay 7 times 6 times 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Over, sa denominator, 7 minus 6 factorial. What is 7 minus 6? That is 1. And that is 1 factorial. Okay, so ang 1 factorial is 1. So ang matitira na lang po ay ito. Kasi ang denominator natin ay 1. So, multiply natin, 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 1 is equal to 5,040. And 5,040, ang result, dapat ang result ay 840. So, ibig sabihin, yung 6 po ay hindi pwedeng value ng R. Try po natin another value ng R. Okay, since hindi pwede yung 6 na value ng R, try po naman po natin yung 5. Okay, 5. So, using again the formula, okay, 7p5 because r is equal to 5 is equal to n factorial. N is 7, so 7 factorial over n minus r, 7 minus 5. Okay, factorial. Then simplify natin. 7 factorial again is 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 over yung 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. That is 2 factorial. Okay, so simplify natin. Yung 2 factorial is 2 times 1. Okay? And then, sa numerator, multiply natin yung 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is equal to 5,040. At yung denominator naman, 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Okay, what is 5,040 divided by 2? That is equal to 2,520. So, ang nakuha natin, nakalculate natin, na result ay 2,520, hindi po equal to 840. So, ibig sabihin, 5 is not the value of R. Okay? So, try po natin. Kung hindi po pwede ang 6 and 5, try po natin yung 4. So, ganyan po yung trial and error method. Medyo mahaba nga lang ng proseso. Kapag 4 naman, ang value ng R, magiging 7p4 is equal to 7 is n. So, n factorial is 7 factorial over 7, 4, kaya 7 minus 4 factorial. Okay, sa numerator, 7 factorial again, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 over, sa denominator, 7 minus 4 is 3, so 3 factorial. Okay, so simplify natin, factor natin yung 3 factorial, magiging 3, 2, and 1. So multiply ulit po natin yan, that will become 5,040 at sa denominator, 3 times 2 times 1 is equal to 6. Okay, and 5,040 divided by 6 is equal to, what is the result? 840. So, 840 ang nakalculate nating result. 840 yung equal dito. Ibig sabihin, 4 is the value of R. Ganyan po, medyo kahaba kung paano i-calculate yung R using trial and error method. Hindi po rekta. Ano po? So, magta-try po tayo ng values. Okay, for number 2 example, we have 6PR is equal to 720. So, using the algebraic method, gamitin natin yung ating formula. So, ang given po natin, n is 6 and r is the unknown. So, again, substitute natin yung given. So, n factorial, ang n natin is 6, kaya 6 factorial over n minus r. N is 6, r is unknown, kaya 6 minus r factorial. Okay? So, is equal to, equal po natin dito sa given na value dito, 720. Okay, again, simplify natin. 6 factorial is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 over 6 minus r factorial equal to bring down 720. So, in this case, again, interchange natin yung 720 at 6 minus r factorial. Okay? Taas po natin. Yan na po yan. So, yung 6 minus r factorial nasa right na at yung 720 ay nasa denominator. Okay, simplify natin yung 654,321. Yan ay 720 divide by yung denominator na 720. So, 720 divide by 720 is equal to 6 minus r factorial. So, if you are going to divide 720 by 720, that is equal to 1. Okay? Is equal to 6 minus r factorial. So again, may factorial yung right ng equal sign, yung left ay wala. So gawin nating 1 ay factorial. Okay? In the form of factorial. So ang 1 po, pwede pong 1 factorial. Because 1 factorial is 1. So 1 na po yung given dito. Okay? So equal to 6 minus r factorial. Okay. So in this case, pwede na pong tanggalin itong factorial magkabilaan. Cancel po natin itong factorial sa left, factorial sa right. So ang matitira po ay 1 is equal to 6 minus r. Okay? So itaas po natin. Again, itong 6 sama natin sa 1. Okay? Bring natin yung 6 sa left. Positive 6 will become negative. Kaya yan ay magiging 1 minus 6 is equal to negative r. And 1 minus 6 is equal to negative 5 is equal to negative r. Since negative r, change all the sign here. So, para maging positive yung r. So, yung r ay negative, maging positive. Yung 5 ay negative, maging positive. So, magiging 5 is equal to r. So, the value of r is equal to 5. Okay, so how about this number 3 example? So, we have 8PR is equal to 336. Okay, so this time, ililib ko pong activity ninyo. Try to calculate the value of R. At pag na-compute po ninyo yung value ng R, comment po ninyo sa comment box below. At hintayin po natin yung aking reply. Tingnan po natin kung tama po yung inyong sagot. Salamat sa pod kaibigan. Kung nagustuhan mo yung video na ito, please click like and subscribe kung bago ka pa lang po dito sa aking channel.